Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So yun nga, magre-react ako guys dito sa Miss Cosmo 2024. So, update video to guys. Panoorin natin to. Tingnan natin guys yung mga kandidata ng Miss Cosmo. Siyempre, Philippines. Support natin si Miss Philippines, si Atisa Manalo. And sobrang excited na ako guys na makita to. Kaya, mag-umpisa na tayo. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Si Chili. Ang ganda ni Miss Chili. Wow. So pretty. Ganda niya. Wow. Ganda ng kanya, no? Ng face. Alright, next is si Miss Cosmo Greece. Wow. Grabe yung ilong, no? Pointed. Tangkad nito. Ganda. Blue eyes. Next, si Miss Cosmo... Anong bansa to? Canada. Wow. Ganda. Si Miss Philippines, si Atisa. Sobrang Barbie ni Atisa, no? Grabe yung face card niya, no? So pretty. Ang ganda. Wow, nice. Cambodia. Oriental Beauty si no? Cambodia. Nice. Go Cambodia. So pretty. Nice. Hey. Miss Cosmo Ireland. Short hair, wow. She's really beautiful. Nice. Next is El Salvador. Wow, she's really beautiful. I like the outfit. Gorgeous. Nice. El Salvador. Xin chào Việt Nam. TikTok. Nice. Oh, Indonesia. Wow. Oriental Beauty. Same vibes to Michelle D. Very what do you call that? Oriental Beauty. I like her skin color. So this is Portugal. Wow. I I like her confidence. She's pretty. Nice, nice, Portugal. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And if you have any requests, video comment down below, and see you in my next reaction video. Bye!